Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today is going to be a special video. I had a subscriber named Jeffrey write in, and he said that it'd make his wife's day if I made her a birthday cake for her birthday. So it's her 34th or 31st birthday. Sorry, Christina. But we're going to make a birthday cake, and I'm going to use one of these Duncan Hines box kits right here. And I have poured it in this bowl, and we're just going to go ahead and dump everything in. I'm going to dump 3 eggs. That's what it calls for, just following the box directions. 3/4 cups of water. And then we also have 7 tablespoons of softened butter. Go ahead and get that dumped in there. Alright. I got one of these stand mixers. You can use a hand mixer if you have one of them. Them work fine, but these work pretty good. And I'm just going to beat it for about 4 minutes over about medium speed. So we'll let that get beat up and mixed up real good, and we'll be back. Man, this is going to be mighty fine, I tell you. Now I've got 2 of these metal 9-inch dishes that we're going to pour the batter in them. We're going to try to pour an even amount in each one. Try to. Get that spread out. Then I'll pour the rest in the other one and see how we're looking. I think I got them pretty close to even. They don't have to be perfect, I don't reckon. And I gotta admit, this is the first time I've ever baked a cake. So I hope you like it, Christina. It might not be too fancy, but I'm gonna try to make it look pretty for you. Now let me get these in the oven. I got it at oven preheated at 350 degrees, and they will bake for probably about 25 minutes. Alright, our cakes are baked. I baked them about 25 minutes. And I'm gonna ooh, hot. I'm gonna dump them out on this cooling rack, and I'm gonna let them sit there until they get good and cool. That way we can get our icing and all that good old stuff on there. Let's get to decorating Christine's cake. Cracked a little bit, it ain't perfect, but it's gonna be mighty fine. I'm using this whipped cream. I'm just gonna put a thin layer right across the middle here. Just like that. And I'll get that all spread out. Alright, I got the top layer on here. I meant to say Christina earlier. I think it said Christine. Pretty sure it's Christina. But anyways, I'm just going to put a good layer of this whipped cream all over this cake. All over the top, all over the sides. And I'll bring y'all back when I get that done, because it might take me a minute. Let's start decorating this cake. See if I can make it look pretty. We'll find out. I'm going to use this stuff right here. I'm going to go around it just like this. I'm going to go all the way around it. Alright, now that we got that on there, I'm going to use this pink stuff. I'm going to go around the outside right here. Going all the way around it. I don't even know if y'all can see that. Just like this. Alright. Oh no. I had to finish a lot of it off camera, guys. But, how does it look? Does it look okay? Sure do hope so. That was my first cake. So I hope you like it, Christina. I'm not done with it yet. So just hold on. Well, I hope I done okay. I think it looks pretty good, especially for my first cake. I hope you like it, Christina. Now let's light the candles. Happy birthday, Christine. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Christine. Hey, I hope you have a beautiful and wonderful birthday, Christine. I'll blow your candles out for you. Try to. I reckon we can't leave without trying a piece of this cake out, can we? See how we done. Get us a good old bite there. Man, that sure is mighty fine, y'all. Again, happy birthday, Christine. Cheers, y'all. And I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.